3.1.13. Find I sub 0 in the circuit using nodal analysis. So before we assign the nodes, by looking at this node, we can do KVL. Okay, so I'm going to just let this one as a V1. That means we have a positive V1 and then negative. And then using the KVL, we say 4 minus 6 minus V1 equals to 0. Negative 2 equals to V1. So we can find the V1 right away. We need to find the current, so I sub 1 and I sub 2. Then I sub 0 equals I sub 1 plus I sub 2. And I sub 1 is V1 over 1K. So V1 over 1K plus I sub 2. So that is negative 2 milliamps plus I sub 2. Now for I sub 2, that is coming from here. I'm going to call it I sub 3 and then I sub 4. So I sub 2 equals I sub 3 plus I sub 4. So that's kind of a nodal analysis we need to use here. So what is I sub 3? And we need to know this node. And if you want to call this as a reference node, this is the negative 6, right? This is the negative here. And then this node is the 12 because it's a positive 12. So I sub 3 is going to be negative 6 minus 12 over 1K plus I sub 4, V1 minus 12 over 2K. And then I sub 2 equals negative 18 milliamps plus, we said V1 is a negative 2, negative 12 over 2K. That is negative 14 over 2K. That is negative 7 over K. It is a negative 7 milliamp. That is a negative 25 milliamp. Therefore, I sub 0 is negative 2 milliamp minus 25 milliamp. That is negative 27 milliamp.